In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix the Face ID and passcode option being missing or not showing on your iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now let's say you're trying to change your passcode or trying to change any of your Face ID, maybe add another face, but you can't see that setting anymore. It's not because they've taken it away, there's just a very simple fix. So all you want to do is go over to your settings application. From here, you're going to see a lot of different options, but all you want to do is go and scroll down to screen time, which is right under focus. So I'm going to click on that right now. Over here, you're going to see a lot of different things. Ignore my daily average, but you want to scroll down until you go to restrictions, which is content and privacy restrictions, where you can manage content, apps, and settings. Go ahead and click on this. Now, if you have content and privacy restrictions on, that's completely fine. It might be for your child or anything like that. But all you want to do is scroll down where it says allow changes to. You want to make sure that passcode and Face ID is on allow. Now, when it's disabled for you, that basically means you're not going to be able to change your passcode and you're not going to be able to change your Face ID either. So you just want to go to this section and go from don't allow to allow, and then that's it. You'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also, be sure to let us know in the comments what more tutorials would you want from this channel in the future.